Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
They'll wear it 2-3 times. It'll get scratched off again. They'll bring it back and have it repainted red again so that it always looks new when they wear it. The typical cost for repainting half soles, according to Mesquita, is around $60.22. May 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Louboutin do not offer a warranty or any official repair service for scuffed or worn red soles. Instead, they recommend using a professional leather restoration company for the refurbishment and repair of their shoes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to stretch Louboutin heels. Step 1. Put the ouch pouches over your toes. Step 2. Get your foot into the shoes. Step 3. Protect your shoes as you walk around the house. Thick socks will also keep in heat from your feet, which is needed to expand the leather. Toe pads. Shoe stretchers. Pain freeze spray. The 19th of April 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.